Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. Today going to continue our lesson with graphical user interface integrate with event driven programming. As you see on the screen, I already added several controls inside our frames. First of all, I have an input panel, and second one I have an output panel. So inside input panel, I have added three text fields and remains buttons, two buttons, OK and cancel. And then for the output panel, I just copy from the input, then similar controls as the input, so with a one button display. So our intention is that when we want to add input, for example, inside the vehicle types, we input the vehicle type, for example, car, then brand, as for example is a Honda, vehicle ID, let's say is a H001, and click OK, and we will save the input into our data members. And when we want to show the output, so we're going to click display, and the data that we save it in the data members will be shown in our text fields here. Okay guys, what I'm already add in our previous fields or our previous chapters. So I added vehicle. This is a previous Java file vehicle, and this is a new one, vehicle info. Let's take a look on the vehicle info. So it is just a basic class information with class name vehicle info, and it has three data members: vehicle type, vehicle brand, vehicle ID. And then I provide setter and getter methods to handle this data member, because the access modifier for this data members were private. Okay. Alright, so in terms of event driven programming, okay, we have to by clicking the OK button just now. So we want to get the data inside the text fields for the vehicle types, and data inside vehicle brand text fields and vehicle ID should be saved in our data members. Okay, and then by that one is already saved, so what we're going to do is that we click display and the data shown in our text fields. Okay, how to do that? We have to do the programming. So we want to create the data member for the vehicle. So as we know that we want to use vehicle class, vehicle info class here to be a class for one object of the vehicle. So by this we have to create the data member of the vehicle info. Okay, and I'm just naming it as a vehicle. So I have one vehicle info instance which name is a vehicle, and then so we can also we have to create the object of vehicle info. So let me create the object by providing the constructor. Okay, this is a vehicle info constructor, where it's empty, no argument inside the vehicle info. So this is a previous coding that I have made, so we're not going to use this. So we add a new coding inside the OK button action perform, which is that is this button. OK means that when the user enter the information inside the text fields, okay, and click OK, this information will be saved or keep it in the vehicle info object, which is that will be saved in vehicle type, vehicle brand, and vehicle ID. Okay, let's do the coding. So as we know that we want to get the information of first of all is vehicle type, so we have to set, not get, right? We have to set vehicle type. First of all, will be vehicle type. Okay, so set vehicle type. Then so this vehicle type will receive one parameter. Okay, so we have to provide an argument here. Set vehicle type, you see in our in vehicle info, set vehicle type. This is a parameter, vehicle info type, so we'll have to provide the argument here. So vehicle type must be get from these text fields. Okay, so how we do that? By know the object of vehicle type text field. I think it's the vehicle type, yes. So we use a get text here. Okay, so you can do this by, for the rest, vehicle brand and vehicle ID, I just copy over. Okay, just copy over. So let's go to this. Right, just copy it. So here you have to know the name of these text fields: vehicle type text field 1, vehicle type text field 2. So this is a vehicle brand. So what you're going to do is that you just remove the get setter method, then so select the vehicle type, and this one is text field 1, right? So just leave it at the text field 1, and this one, the third text field is a set vehicle ID. So set vehicle ID, so this is a number 2. Notice here it provide show pop-up an error string cannot be converted to int. So what you're going to do is that you have to do the pass integer to convert the string to integer, because set vehicle ID, you see here, vehicle ID, the data type is int. So this is a string. If you get the data is a string, so you have to convert it into int. So what you're going to do is just type the integer, okay, class integer, then go to pass string. Okay, this string, okay, can remove this one, and then you add another or close parenthesis. So for the action, okay, button action perform is already done.